Hey everyone, I hope you are fine. In last class we covered inline CSS with div. In this class we are going to cover internal CSS and how to use classes in CSS. So let's start. First of all, we will create 3 divs this way. And we will copy this text inside each div. And we will copy the same CSS style inside the starting tag of the div. We will check the result now. Right click, open with live server. You can see all divs merged together because there is no margin. We will add margin inside every div style. So you have to write margin colon 10px. You can see now the margin. Now we will convert this inline CSS to internal CSS and we will use class. So we will write in head style opening tag and closing tag, and we will create a class for all divs. I will name it .card. Present the class and card is the name of class. So we will open the curly bracket and close the curly bracket. We will copy the style inside the card class and we will remove all inline CSS from divs. Once we removed, we can see the div without style. Now we will add this card class inside div. We will write class equal to opening quotation card without dot and then closing quotation. And we will copy this class inside every div. Now see. Now see, we have the same result with the class and our code is very clean. We will add some elements inside the card class and you will see the magic it will implement on all. For suppose we will add width of card to 400 px. Check the result, here it is. Now I want to see these all cards in one line, so I will add float left. and you can see the cards are in one line. Now if we want to show all the cards on the one line with sharing equal space, we will make into percentage. I will make margin to 1.2 percentage and card width 21%. Now check cards have been divided into equal space and all cards are sharing one CSS class which is inside the head. This is called internal CSS. I hope you like the today's class. Practice it and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.